Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these really cute Coraline Inspired Conchitas. These are mini conchitas. I have also shared my recipe in another video. I will link it down below and hope you guys like it. This is just going to be the decorating tutorial. To make Coraline's face, I'm using a cat cutter, which I just turned upside down. I'm also using a small round cutter, a triangle, a 2-inch circle, and I color my paste in all these colors. I also use yellow and red, and I also have my dough. My dough is right off the refrigerator. It's very cold. I'm rolling it out. The reason I do that is because if I was to do this with my dough at room temperature, I wouldn't be able to get nice clean cutouts out of my dough. Once I decorate my conchitas, I will let them rise for about 45 minutes and then I will put them to bake once that's done. To color the paste, you could use any kind of edible food color. You could use powder, liquid, or gel. I normally use gel just because I feel like it doesn't really change the consistency. And I also like to wear gloves while I'm coloring because the food gel stains your hands for days if you don't wear gloves. This paste can be used right away. As soon as you color it, you could use it. If you're finding it hard, like if it's too sticky, you could place it in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes to an hour and then use it. Or if you want deep, dark, rich colors, you could also pre-make this a couple of days ahead of time and then just place it in the refrigerator and the color will develop over the days. Now here I'm cutting out a triangle and then a little circle in the middle. This is for the triangle that Coraline looks out of. I'm not really sure what it's called. With my cat cutter, I'm cutting out some ivory color paste as well as some blue paste. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut out the hair and cut out the middle part from the ivory to form the face. So right here you can see I'm just cutting out the hair, which is going to be the two sides. I'm cutting it right on top in the middle so I'm able to move them around. And for the ivory part, I'm cutting out a teardrop shape, placing it right in the middle of the conchita, which this is going to be her face. And I'm just going to attach the two blue sides that I cut out and smooth them out together so they make one whole piece. To make her eyes, I used a very small round piping tip and cut out two small circles. And I'm going to be using my pipeable paste to make the eyebrows, as well as the freckles on her face, the nose, and the mouth. I'm sorry that the piping bag got in the way. I was not paying attention and I didn't notice that it wasn't really showing. Now, for those who don't know what I'm talking about when I say pipeable paste, I have already shared how I make my pipeable paste. I don't know if it's correct, but this is how I make it, and I will link the video for that down below. Now I'm just adding a bit of texture with a skewer, so hopefully it shows once it bakes. I'm gonna let these rise for 45 minutes, and I'm gonna continue making the rest of my conchitas. Here I'm just making the little ball with the I guess the circus ball, and with the same cutter I'm just making a couple of cuts into the paste, not going all the way through, and then adding the star. I baked these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. And this is how I chose to display my conchitas. I made this cute little box. And this is how they came out. I love how they came out. They're so cute. If you guys do try this, please, I would love for somebody to tag me on this at SC Cakes and More. Thank you for watching.